Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the 8th lecture on cell biology. In this lecture, we will cover introduction, organelles, structure with its functions, and some quiz questions at the end. As we know that plant cells are the building blocks of all plants. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that vary in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. The existence of a cell wall outside the cell membrane is one of the distinguishing characteristics of a plant cell. Plant cell consists of lysosome, nucleus, mitochondria, vacuole, Golgi apparatus, cell membrane, peroxisome, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleolus. Cell wall is the protective part of the plant cell. It gives the plant cell its rectangular shape. Nucleus is a round organelle in the center of the cell. It controls all the activities of the plant cell. It is often referred to as the control center of the cell. The nucleolus is responsible for the production of ribosomes, which are responsible for making proteins. Vacuoles help maintain water balance in plant cells. It is essential for the growth and survival of plants, as they are responsible for producing food in the form of sugars for the plant. Golgi apparatus is the part that helps process and package proteins and lipid molecules in the plant cell. It is involved in the sorting and packaging of proteins and other molecules, which are transported within and out of the cell. Chloroplast is the part that produces food in a plant cell. It is essential for the growth and survival of plants, as they are responsible for producing food in the form of sugars for the plant. Mitochondria is the power plant of the plant cell. They also contain their own DNA and ribosomes, which allow them to replicate and produce proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle that helps in the transport, processing, and storage of proteins and other molecules. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes is a membrane-bound organelle that is responsible for the breakdown and recycling of macromolecules that are no longer needed by the cell. Here are some quiz questions. Let's discuss it. Number 1. In plant cell, which specific part is known as the site of photosynthesis? And the answer is chloroplast. Number 2. What part gives the plant cell its rectangular shape and serves as its protective layer? And the answer is cell wall. Number 3. What part is known as power plant of the plant cell? And the answer is mitochondria. That's all from this lecture. See you in the next video for lecture number 9. And let's not forget to subscribe to this channel.